Hello. So today we continue the work of last week on the bot, and last time we built the containers for the bot, and today we will build the CI and the CD. So the bot of course is available on GitHub. It's a very simple Python based bot for Twitch, and it should it should work. Let's see if I have nope. Do I have? Yeah, okay, so that's the bot in theory. The container is on Docker Hub. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't like my .env. Why? There is a .env here. Indeed. That's a great start. Come on. Nope. Don't type. Okay. Very good start. No. I don't want this split. Fuck this. Okay, so no, that's correct. Pretty sure it worked last time. Okay, well, that's an env issue, so I mean, it doesn't really matter, but let's try to fix this. Docker run load and variables. Oh yeah, it was just yeah, that was the right command, indeed. And now the bot should connect. Okay, very much sure there is nobody online at this point, so I will test it myself. And it worked. Amazing. So let's. Oh, it was even in the README. Okay, good. Okay, so we have the Docker container. Now we can. Yeah, I think that the easiest thing right now is to build the deployment on K3s. So we will have the bot just running all the time, and then we will find ways, if that works, to have a CI. For the CI, we have to install everything, so that will take some time. Yeah, so we have this repo GitOps Flux CD. There is a cluster. Yeah, and I guess that the first thing to do is to add a new deployment. I really have no idea, so let's get into the docs for Flux. And let's see how to do this. So, automate image updates to Git. Nice. No, but we need simple stuff. Okay. Prerequisites, we got that. We did this, we did that. Bootstrapping stuff. Oh, that. Yeah, so we need to create a source. Flax create source. Okay. Let's move this. Of course. And let's make it a little smaller. So we will need to create a source. Let's go with this. Flax create source git. Let's see if there is any help. Ooh, yeah, there is. Is it a generic help? The create source git command generates a git repository resource and waits for it to sync. Okay. For git over SSH, keys are generated and stored in a secret. For private repositories, the basic authentication are stored. Okay, cool. Yeah, and flags. This is an example with you just put the URL and we can target either a branch, a tag, somewhere, and see. I think we just need URL and branch. It's not even the branch because the default is master. We don't need password. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And then, oh, we will need to export. So this will give us a manifest. And we can put the manifest in the repo. Perfect. I want this to be in subfolder. And we failed last time to do this. Blah, blah, we'll see. Okay, so Flax create source git. This is twitchbot. The URL is https github.com larrygattobot. Okay, and the branch is master. Fuck. Okay, and then we export to, no, not on Flax system. I want it to larrygattobot. Oh, there is no folder code like that. Okay, well, we let it fade. And this is larrygattobot source.yaml. Not fine, factory. Yeah. So let's create a folder first, and done. Okay. Perfect. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so I think it's fine if this thing is inside the Flax system in space. 30 seconds, 1 minute, it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, and we commit. We commit as add git repo. Add source. Yeah, add source is fine. And we push. Okay. Okay, so we can create so if we create a customized folder inside the LarryGatoBot repo, we can tell Flux to read that folder. That sounds pretty good to me. Yeah. In the meantime, let's see. No, but that's okay. So now we are back on the bot. We clean. Okay. We create customize folder, and then I have no idea how to use customize, so I'm going to just check how it's done in the pod info. Ooh. So create a deployment, a customization.yaml. Okay, interesting. So let's search for create customization. Maybe. Okay. So you can do it with kubectl. Using the source of truth of config maps and secret are such a dot properties. No, I don't have that. Definitely, I do not have a config map. I will have a secret though. Yeah. But I don't want to put the secret in the deployment. Like, I can actually. Well, actually, part of the .env can be a config map. Secret generator. Yeah, but that's because it's base64 encoded. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but all this stuff, that's nice, but the deployment, I need to write it, or is there any magic? Blah, blah. No, I guess there is no... No, there is no... in this thing. Right. I have to... Yeah, I have to write my stuff. Okay, so we are going to copy from that guy. Let's go. First thing, we need deployment .yaml, and we have an API version that it's going to be apps v1. This is Kubernetes lingo. Kind, it's a deployment. Metadata, we just need a name, and the name is LarryGattoBot. I actually even want the namespace to be fixed, and I don't know if it's something that I can fix with Flux. Maybe. Let's see. Flux, CD, customization, namespace. No, I don't give a shit about this. Multi-namespace example. What? No, it's an easier thing. Flux CD, specify namespace. Maybe. You're not reading the I don't care. Namespace. No, I don't want to restrict. I don't care. Can I change the namespace Flux put things in by default? Not default. No. Flux CTL. Okay, but that's the okay, yeah, there is a -n namespace thing, and maybe, yeah, we should even move the Git object to that namespace. We'll see later. Let's write something first, and let's see. Now, spec. Minimum ready seconds. Do we need that? No, I want to go with as much default as possible. So deployment, spec, Kubernetes. I really want them more. Yeah, indeed. I don't need all this stuff. I just need to set the replicas. And unfortunately, I don't think my bot supports multiple replicas, so I will put one. That's not good. I mean, it won't be really available, but who cares? We will need a selector, match labels. We can go with app. Yeah, so we will put the label even here. Labels, app. Labels are nice. And now with the template. Metadata again, labels again. Spec of the template, containers. We will have one container called LarryGattoBot. The image of the container. Okay, I guess this is something that we will need to do or fix in the CI, meaning the version, if we want to deploy new versions, we will need to update this manifest, right? Yeah, definitely. Okay, so right now we have 010, so we'll go with that. And I don't think the container needs any entry port. So that might be the bare minimum. Good. Yeah, we don't need the horizontal pod auto scaling. We don't even need a service to access this thing. At least for now, like, so that's fine. We might need a customization object here. And for sure we will need a secret and a config map. So let's start with this. We can generate a config map. Oh, we need to. Okay. So let's copy. Yeah, but this is not stuff I want to put in the repo, yeah. Like, I want to customize those things, that even specify those things from my FluxCD folder. Like, it should be on my side, meaning that if I would publish, like if I put a config map and this config map contains my channel, like, I mean, in the config map, we will have like this stuff, okay? So the nickname of the bot, the channels, and the prefix will be in the config map. Then the token and client, that will go on a secret. And so, well, the secret, they won't be here. Meaning that I will need to specify them somewhere else. And I do not intend to get through this right now, so I will just type them manually or deploy them from my machine. Secrets that will come in the future. The config map, that makes sense to have an example, but then it doesn't make sense to me that I will publish a config map saying that all the bots are called Larry Gatto bot and all the deployments will connect to my channel. I mean, that's something that should be specified in your in the single deployments. But one thing at a time. So let's try this way. So not ideal, but should work. And so the Kubernetes docs are telling me to call these things I don't need this dot. Application.properties. Okay. Wait. Let's also copy application properties in secret example. Now we remove these two, and we remove these three, so we have a good secret and a good config map. And okay, I don't understand. So if I do kubectl customize current folder, it should not. Okay, I cannot find a customization.yaml. Okay. Okay, so let's try this file. And I am copy pasting it from the Kubernetes docs. I mean, why not? And this is Lerigato bot. Config map 1. No, yes, yes, perfect. Now let's try. I think it needs some intestation. No. Oh, that's good. I like this. So kubectl, it's good enough to just load my my stuff into config map, and that's the config map. We even have a random name, so if we run it again. Okay, so I guess that this is from a hash of the content. Okay, why not? Sounds good. You can do it from literals, we don't care. Okay, now we need to reference this thing from, in the deployment. We called the config map this. So let's copy, and we have the selector, the template, the spec of the containers, and in here we need to add in the container a volume mount. I'm reading, I totally cannot remember all this shit, like nobody does, nobody really cares to. I think if you need to do the CKA or stuff like that, you will need to remember all this shit by heart, I guess. And I mean, if you're doing this all day, at some point you will remember that the volume mount is actually there, but I mean, who cares? Nope. So, okay, well, let's keep it like this. This is not correct. We don't need this, because we need to mount our config map as environment variables, not like this. This is going to mount it as files. And of course, if anybody will have or want to ask questions, maybe they want more explanation on what's going on, just say something in the chat and I will answer. I mean, if nobody asks anything, I would just get through this. I have, in those 2 hours, I would just work on my shit. If somebody asks stuff, I will be very happy to stop whatever I'm doing and explain what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's write this. We need to do two things. So we need to add the deployment to the customization, but we can do that later. And more importantly, we need to mount this thing differently. So, of course, back on the documentation, we need to check configuration, config maps, and here we go. Env, that's the thing. Oh no, please don't let me map all the shit. Please. Do it yourself. La, 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 la. Configure a pod to use a config map. Yes, that's what I want. Nope. Come on. I'll Google this. Config map as an variable. When you Google and you reopen things, very good. And oh. No. Oh, come on. This is mount. What can consume? Yes, yes. Environment variables. Yes, that's what I want. You need to tell me how. Fuck. No, not as a volume. Use a config map. This is just. I have so much shit in that. Maybe now I can find what I need. At least I can read it. Immutables. I don't care. Let's go with unofficial Kubernetes. Overview of config maps. Yes. Creating a config map. I mean, yes, but no. Whatever. Creating from file. Yes, okay. Cares. From literals. Again, who cares? Oh, here we go. Consume config map in environment variables. Oh, we need to map them one by one. No, no, this is so bad. And from config map. No, I have to. Oh. Come on. Learn more about environment variables. Yes, tell me more about environment variables. Fuck. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's overly annoying because we will need to define all of them manually. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So maybe one of the nice things we should do in the future is to, instead of reading from the M, read from a file. Anyway, right now we build our shit like this, and so we suffer. I am looking for the env bot and okay, so the first thing it's called bot nick with a K, nick with a K, and then value from config map key ref name bot nick. No, the name is the name of the config map, so is config, because if I guess yes, well, we need to fix it, but we keep yeah, let's call it config. It's fine. And then we need to match with the key bot nick. Good. Now we copy this. We have nick, prefix, and channels. And in here, let's try to do something magical. So Vim, help me. La da bot nick with a K, it became bot prefix. Ooh, nice. Oh shit, I don't care. Well, for the sake of doing things nice, let's keep alphabetical order. That was not in alphabetical order. Yeah, so fuck. B C, okay, then NP, okay, and this is nick became channels. Nice. Okay, then we don't care about this volume thing. Well, we need to change it with m from this is yeah, well, config map ref a name. Oh fuck, wait, what? Oh, okay, and this. Now wait a sec. So if this thing is called, and I'm trying to read from the docs that I just found. So they're saying, okay, let's go and create. Oh wait, I just need this. and config. This will open a log. Shit. Okay. I just need this. Huh. It was simpler. And this should go under image. And from config map. Okay, that was good. So I don't know. I should tell Nightbot that it's okay if Pretzel posts some stuff. Maybe. I don't know. Like, let's try. Nightbot. Login. I should be logged. Yeah, okay. And spam protection. I need a whitelist. Can I whitelist? Links, options, whitelist. Yes. So. That should be fine. Submit. But actually, why I'm blocking links at all? That's just, who cares? Yeah, like, I mean, I don't think there will be that much spam that we will need to care about it. Oh, and the today thing is wrong. But nobody's going to use it anyway. Today, what I'm doing today, I am twitchbot. And back here. Okay. So that's the config map. That's good. We need to do the same with the secret. But we do that later. And now we will need to let's edit the customization. We put resources, and we have deployment.yaml. Okay. So, okay, customize. That sounds nice. So the config map, it's automatically matched with the right name. I don't think. Well, let's see if having a config map like this actually works, because this is file-based config map, and then we're mounting it as an env. So I don't know if it works or not. Maybe not. Who cares? Now let's go with the secret generator. We have the sample, so it's fine. And well, it was in the same file. So config map generator, and then we have secret generator. The name being Lerigato bot secret 1. Well, yeah, who cares? Files, and how did he code this fine? Secret sample, I guess. secret example. That's not a good name. Let's call it tokens. No, that's weird. Let's just call it secret. No, okay, let's call it secret example. Whatever. So it's not a sample, it's an example. Example. Okay. Okay, and again, if we use kubectl, it will, yes, generate the secret. Nice. But this is actually generating a file containing our stuff. So yeah, we need to do it kind of from literals. Can we? No, yes, no, ish. Oh, generating options. No, we don't care about that right now. We can put namespace. And patch it. We don't care about this. Yeah, whatever. So let's do the same stuff. Mount secret as env. Environment, yes, this thing. No, I want to mount all the thing, not just one. No. So, okay, let's do m from container m from secret. M from. Oh, okay. But the m from fields have to Okay. Can you show me how? Yes. Okay, but it's simple, it's simple. So this thing is called Larrigato bot secret 1 and m from, okay, we just put it here, and this is called secret ref name, and it should be simple as that. Okay. Now, I am sure that this is not the right way of creating the config map and the secret, so we need to fix that. Customization. Secret generator. There should be not with files. Okay, with literals. Yeah, but can you read them from a file? No. Useless. Customization. Secret generator from file. Secret values from local files. Okay. Get them from the so-called M files. Oh, the M file, that's what I like. Yes, I like M files. M's. Okay. So secret generator. This is not a files. This is an env. I bet it will work also for this. Envs. And I like the idea of calling this thing application drop properties so that we will change, well, when we will change the code eventually, that should be nice. Let's see. Is it exploding? No. Oh, yes. Client DDN token. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Blah, blah, blah. Blah. Well. Oh, yes. No. What is this? Let's put at the beginning of this file the API version. So this is a customize config keytest IO, not like keytest IO. Is it in V1? Customization API version. I don't like sometimes it's fine, meaning that you can skip this, but it's always nice to put something. Okay, so API version and kind are currently optional in a customization.yaml file. And you get some screaming, but that's fine. So it's still in beta, so v1 beta 1 apparently, and kind is customization. This is from 2019. This is pretty old actually. Okay, so to make sure that if we do okay list API, it was list API? No. API vaffanculo. Why I don't have completion? What? API resource. No. Nice. Customize. Those are the one of Flux, Flux CD. Yeah, this thing is slow. Okay, we don't have that. Okay, it's this is API resources, and then there is an API versions. And in here we should be able to no, if alphabetical order. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Let's see the end of this. What are they saying? That's still very old, 2019. Well, okay, whatever. We have the thing, it should be fine. Cool. So let's commit this. Add customization. Oh. Okay, well, I have nothing checking for YAML. So. And let's push it. Okay. We can get back to blocks that I have in here. So let's see if I can do the switch. Yes. Let's reduce this one. You don't see that. But that's fine. So in theory, I should be able to just edit this thing and this should just automatically work. But in practice, I have no idea. So, okay, I updated the manifest and we need to repush. This is move source to proper namespace. We could check. Yeah, it didn't create a namespace, so. Well, the thing is there. That's not bad. But I mean, that's not what we want. So, okay, let's search if Flux can handle the namespace. Can you create a namespace with Flux? Okay, we don't know, and whatever. let's just try to create the we create the application, and if it works, it's a win. If it doesn't, we'll figure it out. So Flux create customization L'Irrigato bot. We need a source, and the source is okay, yeah, it should be L'Irrigato bot. I hope. The path, we'll stick with the default customize. Okay. Pruning, whatever, we like pruning. Validation, I have no idea. Interval, they're saying 5 minutes, good for me. And finally the export, and we are exporting on well, in here. Okay, so let's make sure, yeah, we call this thing the right way. Now customization, let's read the help at least. Okay, name and flag. Prune, blah 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 blah. I want to read this. Enable garbage collection. Okay. Source, we're good with that. Target namespace. Yep. So we need to add target namespace. Target namespace. Yeah, I didn't. So it created the customization in the Flux system, but then it should deploy the thing on the, oh, okay, that's good. So we should revert this change. This is wrong. Okay. So we did the revert. And we push. And now we need to, it's Flux get customizations. We watch it with every second. Oh, nice. Namespace not found. Good. So I need to create a namespace. Don't like this thing though. Wait. Flux customization namespace not found. Do you have an example? Oh, I can create a namespace with customize. Ooh. How to create a namespace with customize. If you want to create a namespace with customize, your customize should look like this. Let's do it. Now, yeah, okay, it should be fine. So we go in the customize. We create a namespace .yaml and API version v1 kind namespace metadata name. Here we go. And then resources namespace.yaml. Ooh. Name subche. Namespace, okay. And this is name space, okay. Okay. Metadata. Yes, but no. Like, oh, yeah. I need to tell here that the namespace is actually this one. So everything now it will be pushed to that namespace. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, perfect. Everything in a namespace. No. Customizer. Wait. How did I say it? Not customization. Okay. Let's go like this. Okay, let's push. And in theory, let's get sources. All. Now, if we wait, we should see things moving. Yes, no, who knows? The server is very, very slow. Okay, that's good. Actually, we get rid of the errors. And hopefully, well, at least it's moving. I don't know. Well, hopefully this thing should actually create the new namespace. And that's it. Boom, apply it. So, well, let's Cubans. Please. We have a new namespace. Let's get the pods. Okay, it works-ish. I wrote down shit. I mean, that's okay. So let's describe the pod. Docker IO library file to resolve. Okay, yeah, well, if you put the wrong name on the image, it doesn't work. But that's fine. So we go back to our podinfo example. Oh, this is using Google. Yeah, we never tagged that. Okay, so a couple of things. Well, first, the deployment. Well, this is not the right name. The right name is lerrigato/lerrigatobot, and then the version 010. Yeah, okay, let's go with 010. Before that, yeah, you see, we need to check our images. The latest one was test 4, but just to, I mean, why not? Let's do yeah, let's cut the Docker file. Okay, so Docker build, and let's name this thing properly. Lerrigato/lerrigatobot 010. So we are rebuilding. This build should go pretty fast because, well, we already have it. Right. Yes. Maybe. No, apparently. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense that there is stuff that we can't cache. I don't know. Okay, and then Docker push 010. So now that this way, if when I will update, so push the changes to the repo. KTS fix image name, and we push, and now shortly. So let's watch this. Oh yes. So now it's container creating. Well, first time can take some, we need to patch it and whatnot. Now we need to hope that our config is fine. Hopefully. Well, that's taking time. I don't think we can have logs yet. Yeah, no. Oh, no. That was good. Quotes. Okay, well, two things. Quotes there might be an issue with the quotes, and then for sure the secret is wrong. So let's get the config map. Yeah, we do have quotes here, and this is not good. So we need to get rid of them. Customize. Yeah, we need to get rid. Wait, I should be able to do some vMagic again. S quotes G. I love this thing. And yeah, same in secret sample. And the secret, I mean, we will need to rebuild it. Yeah, okay. Okay, so KTS fix quotes. Yeah, no, fix quotes in CN and secret. Okay. So we repush this. And now in another window, I will need to create the secret manually. So yeah, kubectl create secret from M file. Yes, that's perfect. And no, from amp consume. Oh, come on, that was a kubectl command. That was simple. Create secret generic. Yes, I guess. Yes, I guess. Oh. Well, it's running. And of course it doesn't work, but that's okay. And so, but we don't need that. So if we get the secrets, this was S. I don't know, KGS, KGSec. Okay, so we have an opaque secret with some stuff inside, and I really just need to replace. This stuff, I mean, it doesn't make sense. So, because this secret is sourced from the public GitHub repo, well, from a GitHub repo, I mean, it doesn't really matter if it's public or not, it cannot contain the real secrets. So, it doesn't make sense to have it here, and to have it, I mean, yeah, I guess I need to create it manually. because I'm pretty much sure that Flux will edit this, and it will try to reconcile this thing. So sure. Okay, bon. Yeah. Okay, let me edit the secret and let me test that. There are no answer right now. Okay. So let's move to this. I need to go dev bot. Yeah, so base 64. Yeah, it was like oh, maybe wait. So can I do this? Q. Oh. Yes, thank you. Stop vibrating. So let's move to bash. Let's source the M5. And now echo client ID base 64 encode base 64. Okay. And now let's copy this and let's paste it there. And let's do the same with the TMI token. So secrets in Kubernetes are not encrypted. They're just hashed. And that's why you don't want to leak them. Okay. Okay, and now let's transition back. We delete the pod, be fine. Let's see. And yeah, so the delete is slow because it will wait that the new one is up and running. Well, ish. No, I mean, yes, there is a deployment, so in this case, it will wait for the new one. But yeah, let's see. No logs, that's good. Ah, yes. And it works. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. And good. So we have a deployment. We just need to handle the secrets that right now we don't. I will leave it like this and then we can check, I mean, in 5 to 10 minutes, whatever, to see if it's still working or not. It's interesting just to make sure that we know how Flux behave. with the secrets. So that, like right now, from Flux point of view, there is like the cluster is diverging from what is supposed to be. So let's see. And remember that anytime you can ask stuff and I will just stop. So you can answer you. I don't care. It's fine. Okay, so that's a good thing. I mean, that's good. Maybe it's actually worth it. That's not what I wanted to do. I mean, yeah, why not? So let's go back on the Twitch thing. Let's edit today's file. In the recap. So we create customizer deployment folder in the Twitch in the twitchbot repo. Deployed that folder and the container published on Docker Hub on the K3s cluster using Flaccid. Yeah, okay. Fair update. Okay, now we need to see what to do with secrets. I would say that's even more important than CI right now. So let's see. Secrets. That's nice. In order to store secrets safely, you can use Bitnami sealed secret controller and encrypt your secrets into sealed secrets. In a sealed secret, this sealed secret can be decrypted only by the controller. Okay. Prerequisites. You need to install kubectl. Okay. And then you need to deploy them. Ooh. I don't like to put in GitHub. So, possibly, come to say hi. Come to say hi. Oh no! Whoa. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he wants to get up. Wait there. Oh, that means I can open my window. Okay, so a little more background noise, but whoa! Show the cat. Everybody left. You're not good people. Okay, sealed secrets. So we can create this thing. Let's see. So we install the controller. Fine. At startup, the controller generate a key pair and it will put the keys somewhere. Okay, in the namespace. Okay. The public key can be safely stored in Git and can be used to encrypt secrets without access to the cluster. Makes sense. So, for example, generate a secret. A basic code, admin, change me, that we create a file. Okay, you encrypt it. Okay, you hear all the noise. Sorry. You encrypt it with kubectl. No, that makes sense. You use the public key, you pass the file, and then you have an encrypted file, and this file can be now committed. Oh, you applied. Oh, that's cool. You just need to apply it, and it would magically work. Okay. Okay, let's see Mozilla SOPs. You can use to encrypt with a lot of stuff. Okay. So you install GNU and SOPs. Okay. GNU PG. You generate a key with no passphrase. Okay. Oh, you generate a GPG key. That's fun. Okay, well, yeah, you will need to handle the key now, so. Then you create a new repository called My Secrets. Okay, and what do you put there? We don't know. I don't understand. Blah blah blah. Okay. Oh, and then you do the same stuff. You encrypt the thing. Yeah. Well, I think that the sealed secret is the. It's nice. The problem with this thing is that so I need to have, like, I'm okay on you doing this, but then my customization folder for the project needs to be, I need to copy that thing in a private repo. So right now my GitHub's repo is private, and I guess it makes sense that it stays private, even though there isn't anything sensible, but I don't know. And it would be nice if I can actually add a file from there. So before getting through this, we need to see if we can actually specify a customization of the customization, I don't know, on Flux. So Flux CD, I don't know how I can search for this. It can be like customize the planet. I don't know. Yeah, no. Override customization. No, override. That's with override. resources, maybe. Flux CD does not change manually edited resources. Flux CD will not change the resources. That's good. Well, no, that's different. That's totally another topic. So here they're talking that if you edit something manually, Flux will not override it. So that means that the bot should still work. Yes. And that's okay. I mean, it's kind of good to know. There was something here in the get started, maybe. Output info, deploy application, wait for sync. No. Use cases, maybe. No. Guides. I don't see much here. So Flux CD, pass custom file, manifest generation. Oh, okay, this doesn't exist anymore because we're using a different version of Flux. But maybe. Can customize the patch, okay. Flux CD customization patch. No, that's the Helm operator. I don't give a fuck. No. This can be harder than expected. So. We have Flux, that's okay. Deploying up, we have that. We can reconcile. Whatever. Edit the podinfo.deployment.yaml and add a marker to the Flux which policy to use when updating. Oh, that's cool. Doesn't fix though. Now the cat wants to come back. Let's see. Okay, dead or funny? No. No. Oh, but this is for image updates. I mean, that's interesting, but I don't know. There we go. Oh. No, that's not what we need. Okay, well, I'm skimming this, but very interesting stuff. I don't think it's definitely not what we need. Okay. Okay, let's get into the CLI. Maybe there is just an option. What is this? Come on, really? Okay, so maybe we need to go to GitHub. X2. Customize controller. Customization CRD. No, I don't want to get through these. And then that's always the same stuff. Oh, Dio. I can try to move the camera to that. But it might not go into focus because it's too close. Yeah, no. Maybe like this. I don't know. It's not a good cat cam. Maybe I can move the cat a little. Once appena fin qua. Oh, guarda che c'è. And that's it. That's what we're going to do for the next 15 minutes. So yeah. Oh, hello. Nice. I see your name all colored. That's cool. How did you color your name? Thanks. It's a little blurry. It's not that blurry in reality, actually. Okay, he left. And that's it. That was a nice parenthesis. So, we need to maybe just source. Yeah, maybe just source the Flux stuff from somewhere else. Or can I put two of the repository? I don't think so. Yeah, no, but I cannot get through the references. It's like it's gonna be madness. So Flux get. What can we get? We can get customization and sources. So if we create a customization, decryption keys, depending on maybe the path, okay, service account, the sourcing, but it must be one, yeah, and so that's not going to help. So I guess that you want to get out? Yeah. So I think that the right solution, it's to, I need to clone the repository for the app to a private one, and like keep that in sync somehow, or even better, I can create a repository where I just store the customization files. And now the cat really wants to get out. Wait. And put the real secrets there. And maybe we will keep that repo updated with a CI. Yeah, I don't really see other alternatives. Or I can put them here. Okay, that's cool. Where do you keep your FluxCD sources? No answers. Yep. Okay. Can I recycle? I'm thinking maybe I can recycle and I can just use the same repo. So yeah, I have this repo here, the GitOps FluxCD, and maybe I can, if I can source that repo, and it should not be a problem, I guess. Manifests. Oh, okay, FAQ. Are there two customization types? Okay, we don't care. Reconciliation. Yeah, okay, whatever. Can use repositories with plain YAML. Yes, you can specify the path where the Okay. Okay. No, okay. Wait, let's try to search for Helm. So for Helm, you must pass a config file. And so how that's supposed to work? Okay. So you can deploy at your museum. Okay. That museum was fun. Release. We create a release, and we have the chart. So I don't really want to go with Helm, but it might be interesting to I don't see effect values inside the chart. No, we don't care about this. Did I miss something here? No. Yeah, okay, I don't know. It's really a part of the workflow that I don't understand how to get over it. Okay, well, let's try. No, it's too late now. Wait, okay, let's get the overkill version. Yeah, you're asking the right question. So yeah, I have this demo bot that you can find on GitHub here. Let me open the link. So we have this bot that right now it's running, and we built the container last time, and we have and I managed to create a deployment here with Flux CD. So this thing is now running on my cluster. The problem being, I need to specify the secret and technically also the config map. I need to customize it because, well, the secret that you get from the repo, it's public, so it's an example file. So it's not gonna work. And right now I edit the secret manually, but as soon as Flux will do a new deployment, the secret will be overridden. And the config map, again, it's not the most beautiful solution, mostly because it's my repo, so it's okay that it contains my own configs. For example, that the bot, it's called L'Arigato bot, and it connects to my channel, but that's not really how you want to do a kind of public project. Like, it should be customizable. And so I was looking for ways to tell Flux that he needs to override those configs, but apparently you can't. So I am thinking of, I guess that the only clean way to do this is to I need to move those. I need to copy those manifests in another repo. I guess keep that repo private and put also the new secrets and the whatever configs I like in there, and tell Flux to sync that repo and not the public repo. So that means every time I need to install something, I need to copy the manifest of that something in another repo. And I guess that can be a thing. Maybe a way to just not have 1,000 different repos can be to add those manifests to the same repo that Flux is using. I mean, I don't see why not. And I don't even see why it should not, like, why could it be a bad idea instead of having it somewhere else? I don't know. Yeah, I guess that ideally, if you are deploying an app to a cluster, seems tricky. Well, yeah. So basically, I need a different source. So I need a source for the manifest that is not the public application repo, because it cannot work. Like you need to inject your custom config, you need to inject your secrets if they're sealed, or even if I will going to plug Vault, I will need to plug a secret name somehow. Even if I keep it like, even if I put a requirement on the app to have a secret with some specific name that, well, it needs to be customizable, but let's say whatever, I will need to deploy that thing anyway. So yeah, for sure I need a separate repo than the application one. And the day I will deploy something that's not my own application, so I cannot actually edit the configs, it won't even work, right? Like not a solution. And let's try to recycle this repo. Why not? So what's in here? Yeah, nothing. So in this repo I have that's the GitOps FluxCD. I have the clusters with the cluster configs, and let's try apps application. So we can keep it organized as namespaces, and then yeah, and in here now we will copy. Let's go from here. Dev. Let me get about customize. Okay, so this way I have the customized folder in here. Let's keep the secret example for now. Yeah, why not? I wanted to do yeah, I can change. Oh yeah, I can do one change to make sure that this thing works. I will change the channel name. I mean that thing is getting removed by the app, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, if we go on clusters, let's remove. So yeah, flux delete source git. Do you want to? Yes, I want to remove it. Okay. Now got Wait, how can I cut it? Yeah, indeed. So I already have this repo as a repo. I don't know, as a source. I wonder what's in the secret. Oh yeah, that's the entire thing actually. That's the entire manifest. Oh, this is actually very good. Oh. Let's cut the customization. Yeah, okay. So, I can actually I can just put my stuff in here. Yeah. So instead of having this, well, we can remove it. The source, we deleted it. In this customization file, this is just to tell Flux that this customization is somewhere else. But then on current source, maybe, like, can I tell these docs are terrible. Okay, well, we will just test. So cp, let's copy the content of this folder in here. Thank you. Not like that. Okay. Customize. We have all the stuff. We can max delete customization. Yes, let's get rid of that. We delete also the file. We redo this change. And we get rid of the application folder because we just use this one. And now Flux create customization help. So what can we put as source? Source. Kind name.namespace. The default is a Git repository. Ooh. But we already have a customization. That's the Flux system. Okay, maybe I can do a describe. Cool. Something more than a get? No. Oh, maybe like this. Flux system. I want more. Can you tell me more? No. Fuck you. Okay. And we also have the get flux get source. What can I get? Sources. Oh, all. Yeah, okay, so I have a flux system source. It's not the best. Yeah, so if I use the same repo, if I update, that makes sense. If I update, if I merge a new version, it will be updated. No, or not. Yeah, why not? I mean, I guess that's how Argo CD does it, actually. So, okay. Culo. So namespace, it's fine. The source is flux system. Flux system. The path is clusters. Bacina Navigato bot. Yeah. Now flux delete. Yes, I'm sure. Let's recreate. Okay, source is gone, and then customizations all. Why didn't I do the... Ah, wait, I need to push this thing. Huh. So let's add this. Move the repo. Okay, so we move the manifest. Now we need to push. And maybe that's the way. I don't know at this point. I have no idea. Maybe I need to add the repo as... Okay, reconciliation. No. Sources all. Git repository flag system. Okay, but the thing is there. The customization is not there. Why you're not there? You should be fine. Okay, let's get the logs. So source control. Ooh, that seems fine. Customize controller. Oof. Okay, that's very hard to read. Oh, wait, that's cool. No, that's garbage collection completed. Hello. Yeah, lives are in English. It's been like a month. Come on, it's time to learn it. Okay, this thing doesn't work. Flux CD, customization, source, Flux system. Doesn't Sphere? Well, it's a nice game. It's how do you say? Factory building game. Strategic, yeah. And I guess I streamed it once. I should update my description. I streamed yesterday some Satisfactory, but there is too many people on Sunday morning, so, and I'm never gonna do games in a how do you say, with any constant whatever. So yeah, it's just random. Like sometimes I will just stream other shit. Actually, the thing, I'm not getting any. I'm just googling if I can fix this thing, and it seems I can't. Anyway, I was thinking of changing the time schedule of the streaming, because Saturdays, now that we are almost deconfined here, I mean, it makes sense to get out. And so I was thinking of moving it during the week, some night during the week. It can even be like, I don't know, maybe a little later than 6. We could try like 7 to 8, or 6:30, 8:30, something like that. Well, I mean, today it's 8:30, so 9 a.m. is fine. 9 p.m. Yeah, I mean, at 21 hour, I will be a little too tired, so that's why I will stick to like 6:30, and then focus, and then we'll see how long we go. And I wanted to try also in the morning, but for a way shorter stream. I want to learn Elixir, and I think I need to make sure if the schedule is fine, if I can find maybe like 2 days I can stick to. And I would like to do like, I don't know, 40 minutes, 1 hour, no more, of Elixir, like every other morning or something like that. No, I'm not a Python well, I program in Python if I have to program in something, but I'm an SRE. I do DevOps, and yeah, so the streamings are right now they're all about exploring tools for Kubernetes and other stuff. I have in some previous streams I installed Kubernetes in I have a small server at home that's very slow, and so we have a mono cluster, a mononode Kubernetes cluster there. And we're trying to deploy stuff to the thing and explore stuff. But yeah, I mean, after dinner, I think there might be even people, but yeah, no, I would be too tired. Like it's not gonna work. I'm sure about that. So yeah, did 6 to 8 ish. I think it's a good time. But yeah, I need to find. I'm pretty much sure I will move it to midweek. So this is not misspelled actually. So I would love to. If I do this, okay, so it's deploying anyway. Okay. So if we deploy shit, it will just not work. That's annoying. Clusters. Yeah. Okay, so let's try in a different way. Well, this is not gonna work. So let's create source. Yeah, why not? Let's create just oh no, it cannot be like that. Oh Dio. Okay, well, I guess I'm giving up. It's late. And I don't understand what is the right way of doing this. Yeah. I mean, like, we need to put the, okay, I don't know. I don't want to give up. We need, this is the URL. And then, yeah, but then we don't want the master branch. Absolutely not. I mean, yes, we want the master branch, but we want a specific folder, right? So it makes no sense to create a new source. Yeah. So this one should just work. And I don't know why it doesn't. The path is correct, the source is correct. Target namespace and shit. That's just fine. If I look at the repo, yeah, my customization is here. But then, okay, wait. What if I remove this thing and get rid of Fluxid customization. Let's start with this. But this can take some time. Maybe. This one. Getting dark and red. Oh, I can even. No. I'm keep tailing both. And okay, so this is source controller. Did the rewrite it doesn't work. Okay, so just customization.yaml is not enough for Flux. Customize example. That's v1. Okay, so no, wait, look at this. The Git repository contains the following top directories: apps, infrastructure, clusters. Okay, so this is not wrong. Wait a sec. Oh, yes. Oh, this is good. Okay. Well, I found... Yes. So this is the thing that I just found. This should fix... This should tell us how to fix. And... $21 before. No, the Fluxid deployment needs to be was fine, but okay, so I guess, come on, I want to be, yeah, we're gonna explore that next time, or maybe I'll try to do it during the week. Oh yes, this tutorial, there is everything, and that should fix our stuff. So this is pushed. Yes. Okay. Oh, so well, thanks for coming, and see you next week. We don't know when. I don't know. Follow me on Twitter, or just follow me here so you will get the notification. See you next time.